Hello Windows Insiders. Today we are diving into the latest beta channel release Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 10.0 22.635.5097. This is also known as KB5053648, released on March 21, 2025. This build is all about fine-tuning the experience of those sticking with version 23H2. Let's break down what's new, what's fixed for, and what you need to watch out of. Here are some key highlights of build 22.635.5097. One of the biggest wins, Windows Sandbox is back in action. Microsoft squashed a nasty bug that was causing it to fail with error code 0x872746 in recent beta builds. Now you can safely test apps in this virtual sandbox without a hitch. For users with Hebrew or Arabic as their display language, navigating taskbar icon used to go the wrong way. Super confusing. This build fixes that so your taskbar flows naturally in right to left setups. Voice typing gets a tweak for Chinese narrow layout users. Expect smoother dictation and fewer hiccups when you are talking to your PC. Beyond these specifics, Microsoft packed in a small set of under the hood improvements to boost stability and performance. Nothing flashy, but it's all about making your day to day smooth. No build is perfect, and this one's got a couple of tweaks. The new grid and category view on the start menu's all page might lag a bit. App icons can take a second to show up after installing something new. Right click an app in the start menu, and you might see the start settings context menu flash before settling down. Annoying, but not a deal breaker. These are holdover from earlier builds, so Microsoft still ironing them out. Now, what about crashes or errors? As of today, March 21st, 2025, there is no flood of users reports specifically tied to build 2022.635.5097 causing widespread crashes. That said, insider builds can be tricky. Some users on forums like Reddit or Microsoft Community Hub reported install errors with other 22.635 points builds like 0x800F0845 or 0xC1900101, but nothing spins directly to 5097 yet. The Windows Sandbox fix should actually reduce issues for some. Still, if you hit a snag, the feedback hub is your best friend. Microsoft watching it closely. That's the scoop on build 22.635.5097. It's a small but solid step forward for beta channel insiders, especially if you love Windows Sandbox or use RTL languages. Keep that feedback coming. It's how these builds get better. Got thoughts or run into trouble? Drop in the comments below. Until next time, happy testing.